guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naturallymawa, and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another try-on haul from TwistedSaints, which is by Aaliyah J. She came up with clothing brand, and I also have like some other outfits. This other outfit collection is from the Baddie factory, and I had these for mad long, so I'm like, why not try it on with these other stuff, you know? Gotta try on everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna be trying on a few things. But first, before we get to the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. 10K is the goal. Subscribe. But yeah, so before we get started, I'm gonna show this first piece off. This is so cute. I just took pictures in these. So follow me on Instagram at _.mawa. Follow me on Instagram so you can see the look. I'm gonna post the pictures probably tomorrow because I'm recording a little late right now. So it might be like 12 right now. But yeah, you get the idea. So this is how this looks. And then it has one side. And then back. Don't mind that white tag. I don't know why I didn't cut it off. But it's so cute. But I gotta be careful with this because my glue might slide out. Can't have those. But this is mad cute. But yeah, so we're gonna get to the actual items. And I'll be back with the first look. Okay, so I had to change the camera setting. As you can tell, it's probably a little darker now. But like I was saying, this is the first item, and this is a blue, like I guess light wash blue and dark blue mixed together, and it's really cute. And it's a long dress. It's got all the way to my ankles, cause you know I'm very short. But you could like scrunch it up. No, I can't wait to wear it. You can scrunch it up. That's the back. That booty, that booty, that booty, that booty. Can I touch that booty? That big old booty. Like the booty. Can I make that booty? Like this booty. Check that. Right there. But this is so cute. I really cannot wait to take pictures in this. It's a bodycon dress. Yes, I'm feeling it. The arms, well, the finger area, it has the finger hole for the thumb, and it's just so cute. I have this in 2 colors because y'all know how I am. I always get stuff in 2 colors on wax. But yeah, we're gonna move on to the next item. Next item. Next. Move like a snake. Move like a snake. Move like a snake. Next item. Okay, so this is the second item. Well, Baddie Factory. And this first item is from Aaliyah J's collection. Guys, this was kind of a struggle, but it's really cute. I feel like I should probably got a medium. I really should have, but it's still, I think I'm still keep it. But it's so cute. But I feel like I should have got a medium because when I was putting it on, you hit. You know what that means? That means the clothes is. Let me stop being stupid, but for real, it was really making all type of noise. It was, yeah. Every time I try to pull it up, it was making all type of noise. But this I seen her wear it though in her Insta story, and I just thought it was so cute. So I was like, let me put it on that way, cause that was so cute. I like it this way. I think if I do wear it, I'm gonna wear it like this, cause this is really cute. I feel like the other way is too basic. But yeah, that's how it look. But of course, everything is small. but I should really start shopping at mediums because baby. This is the first look of the collection, one of her items. This is Turquoise, I believe. I just love it. I just think it's so. You guys let me know which one is your favorites. When I'm done at the end, let me know which ones you like. But I think I really like this. I like the top. The top is so, and it holds your boobs up. It comes with a boob patch already. I watched her story. I heard her talking about all of it, and I was like, since I didn't get to buy her swimwears, I'm gonna buy some of these because I really like stuff like this. But yeah, this is so cute, you know. Yeah. We're gonna move on to the next item. I was saying this is another dress from her collection. That's how it look. It's very colorful. I love colorful stuff. And this dress is like, you could wear it two styles. I'll move back a little bit. You could wear it longer, or you could pull the strings to adjust it. You see it? See how it just came from long to some. Yeah. Let me stop being gone. But yeah, see how it just came from being very long to some. I'm going to the club to find me a sugar daddy. Yeah. So the first one would have been like, you know, summer daytime wear. But if I want to go to the club and go be a little Baddie, then there you go. You pull it up. Or sometimes you could just pull one side up, leave one side up, and pull the other one down. It's like, I love stuff like this because you can wear it anyhow. I think I might like these, and actually they're not bad. I love it. It's so cute. It gives you like a little summer dress. It's okay though. I'ma still wear it. Y'all gonna see pictures in them. I'm a bad bitch. Fuck the bitch. Bitch, just look, I'm good. I'm a bad bitch. Some bitch, the bitch is like, I'm good. Bitch, I'm good. Okay, we gonna go to the next. This is the fourth item. This is just like the blue one I had on, but I feel like the materials are two different things. This one is more like silk, and then the other one was like a little thicker material, you know. This is more like silk material. It's very silky, and then the booty part, of course, it looks back. It looks good. But yeah, so this is how it really look. It's the same thing. It's really long. I guess, like I said, you could pull it up, but no, I think this one can't be pulled up because it don't really look right. But that's how it look. It's the same thing as the blue one, like I said. Oh, this one don't have like the thumb area like how the blue one did. This don't have no hole for the thumb area, so, but it's still cute. We're gonna move to the last item, I think. Yeah, the last and final item. Okay guys, this is the last item, and I kind of wish the tights would fit a little bit more. I feel like I can't even pull it up anymore, but this is one of Aaliyah J's collection. I love it because one, it's like these clothing brand that Instagrammers be wearing, it gives me that vibe, and those were too expensive. So that's why when I seen this on her site, I was glad that this was on her site because this is some cute thing, and it gave me kind of like that vibe. And those things are like almost 200, so I didn't want to buy those. So when I seen this, I was like, hey, why not? But it feels tight, like the leggings feel tight. And I also wish the top was like a bodysuit, like a onesie basically, but it's like this, and I kind of wish it really was a onesie set. It would have been much cuter because I don't see myself wearing it out like this. I don't know. I feel like I'll tuck it in more. Yeah. I definitely like it tuck it in so it could look like a onesie. But other than that, I just love it. Like, I can't move too much because the tights keep going down. But this how it look. It's just so cute. I love it. And really much, I still like it. So I'm gonna keep it. No, I'm still wearing. I'm still rocking. Who got a nose? Who gotta know? Who gotta know? Nobody. But yeah, like, this is the last item. Yeah. I see you guys later. Sorry now, but yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Remember, we're on the road to 10K. So if you made it all the way to the end, please pause the video real quick and go subscribe or share it to your people. If you're already subscribed, share it to them. 10K, 10K, please. I'm just asking for 10K. So let's get this to 10K. But yeah, I wish it was. Oh my god, I have so much idea. I thought it was a one. I don't remember what I thought it was, but I really just wish it was a onesie. It would have been cute. It would have been cuter. But it's still cute, you know? It still gives you that onesie vibe if you tuck it in. I love it. But yeah, I wasn't gonna spend almost 200, I think. Almost 200 on those clothes. Because, like, why is it so expensive? Really, why? Why is it so expensive? I don't understand. But yeah, without further ado, peace out. Okay, so guys, I just received this new perfume from Dossier, and it really smells good. This is this scent is Fruity Magnolia. It just smells so good. I was scared at first because I'm like, oh, I don't really use perfumes like that. I use like Victoria's Secret perfumes. Other than that, I don't use like any other perfume. But I'm telling y'all, this perfume smells expensive. And it's not even expensive. They start from 25 and up. And I'm gonna leave the link in the bio. You know? The link in the description, matter of fact. And you're gonna use my code 10%. That's basically 15. It's gonna be $15. And it's mad cheap. It really smells good. Like, I'm not even gassing it or anything, but it really smells good and affordable. What else? You know, you gotta buy it to test it out yourself, because you may not believe anything I said, but trust me, this is a cute little bottle and it's just so cute, and the perfume really smells good. So what's next? But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link to it in the bio. Why I keep saying bio? Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link to it in the description box, and the 10% off code from me to you guys. You know, you guys need to go buy some. It's very affordable. Like, perfumes like these be expensive, and it's just like, I can't make this up. I can't. But yeah, so see you guys